Hello everyone. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides API Specification Q2 technical training. We will discuss clause-wise agenda in this video. We provide online and on-site trainings for this standard. This video presents a deep technical overview of API Specification Q2, focusing on risk-based service quality management, service execution control, and audit-ready implementation for oil and gas service supply organizations. Now technical course coverage clause-wise. First, API Spec Q2 framework and applicability. Scope, normative references and terminology. Q2 applicability to upstream, midstream and downstream services. Technical distinction between API Q1 versus API Q2. Alignment with ISO 9001 risk-based thinking. Second, quality management system requirements. Process-based QMS mapping for service organizations. Identification of critical service processes. Interaction between operational, support and management processes. Third, risk assessment and contingency planning. Risk identification techniques, HERA, FMEA, job risk analysis, risk ranking and acceptance criteria. Contingency planning for service interruption, equipment failure and manpower risk. Risk register development and maintenance. Fourth, service quality planning, SQP, technical development. Service specific SQP structure and controls. Identification of critical service parameters. Control of service execution variables. Hold points, witness points and verification methods. Fifth, management of change, MOC, operational control. Technical changes versus non-technical changes. Risk assessment during service change. Authorization workflow and change validation. Change communication and field implementation. Sixth, supplier, subcontractor and external provider control. Technical qualification of service subcontractors. Control of outsourced critical activities. Supplier risk classification. Field verification and performance evaluation. Seventh, equipment, tools and measurement control. Equipment identification, traceability and calibration. Preventive maintenance and fitness for service. Control of rented / client owned equipment. Measurement uncertainty and acceptance criteria. Eighth, personal competence and awareness. Competency matrices for technical and field roles. Qualification, certification and experience requirements. Job specific training effectiveness evaluation. Authorization of service personnel. Ninth, non-conforming service and incident management. Detection of service non-conformity. Immediate containment and client communication. Root cause analysis techniques, 5Y Fishbone. Corrective action effectiveness review. 10th, performance monitoring and data analysis. Here below things, service KPIs and technical performance indicators, incident trending and reliability analysis, lessons learned and preventive improvement, data-driven decision making. Now 11th, internal audit, API Q2 focused, risk-based audit planning, process and SQP-based auditing approach, technical audit trials and objective evidence, typical API Q2 non-conformities. Now 12th, management review and continual improvement, technical inputs and outputs for management review, review of service performance, risks and changes, resource adequacy and improvement actions. 13th, API Q2 certification and audit preparation. Stage 1 and Stage 2 audit expectations, audit documentation and field readiness, closing common audit gaps, sustaining API Q2 system post-certification, target audience, oil and gas service company leadership, quality and compliance managers, project/operations engineers, API Q2 implementers and internal auditors, field supervisors and technical leads. Training delivery, online, live technical sessions, on-site, field-oriented and process-based, customized as per service scope and risk profile. Contact for training and implementation support. Email info@urgseng.com. Mobile +91 7359458455. Subscribe to our channel for advanced technical training on API Q2, API Q1, ISO standards, oil and gas quality systems, audits and engineering compliance. Thank you.